tiene vuelto, no. Aceleró, me tiraron, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Aceleró, se te olvidó que el tiro no tiene vuelto, no. Aceleró.
Entro mi flow, entro mi clan, mi voz como Jackie Chan. Que lo que dan, mil cuentos, mil promesas que enganchan. Yo sí, yo fui lo que te digo, people. El dinerito es el gobierno quien lo roba, chico. Habla tú, habla, como si yo te fuera ajeno. Habla tú, habla, política cochina vemos, pero
lo que tú esperas, si te espera, desespera, verá. Así que juega, juega por la seda verdadera. Me tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se te olvidó que el tiro no tiene vuelto, no. Aceleró, me tíralo, tíralo, pásalo, písalo. Se regó, se te olvidó que el tiro no tiene vuelto, no. Aceleró. El invento es la vara trasante que utilizan todos los cuenteros. Los que dicen verdad no son tantos. Dime cuántos y dónde los quiero. Dime cuánto les costó llegar. Y si son buenos, no es por nada, pero no dan ya. Nervios.
Who are you doing an observation on?
Mama Cat, right there.
Great. What has Mama Cass been doing today?
Mainly, let's see, traveling and resting. She's only fed in 2 trees.
It's true, it's true. And what has she been eating?
She's eaten so far Varroa and Gustavia.
Very nice. And who is she hanging out with right now? Who's in the group comp?
Group comp, let's see. We have a lactating female, 2 adult males, Janice and Jude, a sub-adult male. Summer, an adult female, Veruca, and Desmond.
Okay. Very nice. Is there anything else you'd like to share about today?
It's our last day in the forest.
Oh, and how do you feel about that?
Mixed feelings. I'm kind of happy because this is tiring, but also kind of sad because I know that when I get home I'll be like, oh, that was cool, and it was nice being outside every day. But I'm excited for Columbia, so kind of overshadowed it.
I agree. And wow, what is that beeping noise?
It's my watch going off.
And how often does it beep?
Every 3 minutes.
Wow. Okay, cool.